For years, the giants of our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, have been locked in a cosmic tug-of-war for the title of Moon King. For a long time, Jupiter held the crown, but the tides have turned. As of 2026, the battle is officially over. Following a massive announcement by the International Astronomical Union, Saturn has pulled ahead with a staggering 274 confirmed moons. That's nearly 3 times more than Jupiter's count.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
But these aren't all like Titan, Saturn's massive, Earth-like moon. Most of these newcomers are what astronomers call irregular moons. Unlike regular moons that formed neatly with the planet, these are chaotic, captured outsiders. Think of them as space hitchhikers. They were likely asteroids or comets that wandered too close and got snagged by Saturn's massive gravity billions of years ago. Their orbits tell the story. While regular moons orbit nicely in line with Saturn's rotation, these irregulars orbit at extreme tilts. Many even move in retrograde, orbiting backward against the flow of traffic. How do we miss them for so long? They are tiny and faint. Dr. Edward Ashton's team used a clever technique called shift and stack with the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope. It involves taking many images and digitally shifting them to track the moon's expected motion, stacking them to amplify the signal. These 274 moons aren't random. They belong to families. The largest is the Norse group. These retrograde moons are incredibly distant, orbiting millions of miles out. They are named after giants from Norse mythology, like Ymir and Fenrir. Then there are the prograde families, the Inuit group and the Gallic group. The Inuit group, named after Inuit mythology spirits like Kivik, orbits at a different angle. The Gallic group, named after Celtic deities, orbits closer in. Each family has a distinct orbital fingerprint. Why do these families exist? Scientists believe they are shrapnel. About 100 million years ago, larger parent moons in these orbits were struck by comets and shattered. The Norse, Inuit, and Gallic groups are the debris fields of 3 distinct ancient collisions. What we see today is a forensic scene. These 274 moons are the broken shards of those ancient space wrecks, still circling Saturn like a trail of breadcrumbs from a cosmic catastrophe that happened when dinosaurs walked the Earth. Saturn is now officially the solar system's Moon King, a celestial museum of our violent history. With 274 moons and counting, the question remains, what else is hiding in the dark? Stay curious.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.